Hey everyone, you're planning a surprise party for your friend who lives overseas. You want to collect money from your friends and family, but you're not sure how to do it easily and securely. Enter Venmo, a popular mobile payment app. But can you use Venmo with a non-US phone number? Let's find out. Hook. Have you ever tried to send money to a friend or family member who lives in a different country? It can be a hassle, right? You have to deal with international wire transfers, high fees, and sometimes long wait times. But what if there was a simpler way? Building context. Venmo has become a popular choice for peer-to-peer payments in the United States. It's easy to use, and you can send and receive money instantly. But can you use Venmo if you don't have a US phone number? Answering the question. Yes, you can use Venmo with a non-US phone number. However, there are a few things you need to know. You'll need a US bank account. Venmo is primarily designed for US users, so you'll need a US bank account to link to your Venmo account. This is necessary for sending and receiving money. You might face limitations. While you can use Venmo with a non-US phone number, you might encounter some limitations. For example, you might not be able to access all of Venmo's features, or you might have trouble verifying your identity. Consider alternatives. If you're having trouble using Venmo with a non-US phone number, there are other options available. PayPal is a popular alternative that allows you to send and receive money internationally. Tips for using Venmo with a non-US phone number. Use a VPN. If you're having trouble accessing Venmo's website or app, you can try using a VPN to connect to a US server. This can help you bypass any regional restrictions. Verify your identity. To use Venmo, you'll need to verify your identity. This usually involves providing your personal information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. Be aware of fees. While Venmo is generally free to use, there may be fees associated with certain transactions, such as international payments or using a credit card. Additional considerations. Security. Venmo is generally a secure platform, but it's important to take steps to protect your account. This includes using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and being cautious of phishing scams. Customer support. If you encounter any problems while using Venmo, you can contact their customer support team for assistance. Conclusion. Using Venmo with a non-US phone number is possible, but it might require some extra effort. If you're having trouble, consider using a VPN or exploring alternative payment options. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time.